Water heaters don't need to cost you a fortune. With our low-price water heaters, you can save a ton of cash and stay warm this winter. It's time to get rid of the old water heater and buy a more affordable one from us today. So let's get started and enjoy this video.
Number 1. 2000W Immersion Water Heater. The immersion electric heater has a 304 stainless steel cover to prevent the heating element from directly contacting people and causing burns. The annular heating tube is much longer than other products, which means that the surface load tube is smaller, so it is safer and more durable. Portable design, you can enjoy hot water anytime and anywhere. The electric water heater has a power of 2000 W and a voltage of 110 to 125 volts. It will quickly heat 5 gallons of water with high power in a few minutes, and it will take about 30 minutes to heat the water to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, longer in winter. Immersed electric water heaters can be used for different size containers such as barrels, basins, bathtubs, sinks, etc. Different from ordinary bucket heaters, this water heater is lighter and smaller in appearance, and is very suitable for concrete work, farm, car snow removal, wallpaper, winter washing, camping, travel. Number 2.
Electric submersion heating elements can be utilized in water, particularly appropriate for warming water in huge compartments like containers, bowls, baths, smaller than expected inflatable pools, and so on. This inundation warmer is lightweight and super light, making it ideal for movement and excursions. The submarine electric radiator makes the water warming more proficient, bubbling 5 gallons of water shortly. Just put the warmer in the water, and afterward associate the 120 volts power supply, simple to utilize. Utilize excellent copper wire to convey greater power. Use ABS shell and rust conformation treated steel insurance. Successfully keep the warming component from direct contact with the human body. More secure use, and lessen mishaps. We utilize thoroughly tried elite execution warming components with a utilization season of over 10,000 hours. The design is strong and the workmanship is fine to guarantee top caliber, solidness and reusability.
Number 3. Box Deck Aquarium Water Heater. This fish tank heater is made of heat-resistant, milky white quartz glass and all-listed power cord that is shatterproof and explosion-proof to prevent leakage and lasts 3 years or more. Temperature range is 68 degrees Fahrenheit to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. When water temperature achieve the setting temperature, heater will automatically stop heating. When water temperature is lower than the setting temperature, heater will automatically start heating. 50W aquarium heaters suit for 3 to 15 gallon fish tank. Please choose the right wattage aquarium heater according to our size chart. Stick the submersible water heater vertical onto the tank side near the water intake or on the way of water flow. This way the heater can quickly sense the water temperature and make adjustments automatically. Keep the aquarium heater fully submerged in water.